Take that, close your ears. There we go, one more time. Lift, lift, repeat that on the right side. Here we go. Circle, circle. Just concentrate on that shoulder. One circle, two circles, yes. Two more. 1, 2, and march in place. 1, 2, and tempo it. Here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and march in place. Again, repeat. Third one, hip. Last one, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and other side. Let's do it. Right, left, and again. Right, left. 2 more. Right, left. Last one. Right, left. Now we do torso stretch. Stretch to the side. Keep it squat. Squat position, yes. Shoulders are level. There we go. Last one. Right side, concentrate, rib cage, rib, ooze. 2 more, ooze it, there we go. Last one, stretch, tempo, pulse it, pulse, marching place, pulse, yes, 2 more steps, hip. How are we doing, guys? Hip. Right side. Here we go. Pulse it. Pulse. And march in place. Pulse. 2 more. Let's do it. Concentrate. Go. Last one. Hip. Give me hip swing. We step, hip. Shoulders level. Step, hip. Again, step, hip. Last one, step, lift. Right side, here we go. Step, hip. Step, hip. 2 more. Lift, up. Last one, step, Now tempo, let's bring it. We go lift. And again. Lift. Let's add the arms. Swing the arms. Swing. Right side. Throw those arms, but keep your core tight. Hip. That's it. 2 more. Swing. Last one. Hip. Now let's do arches. We go back, front, and march in place. Back, front. Feel knees bent. Back, front. Arch. Now, right side, here we go. Back, front. Core, pulse. Pulse. Last one. Back, front. Now time it. Pulse it back. Tempo. March in place. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, focus left. That's it. Last one.